Hello guys, today let's discuss an arrangement set. So, seven friends A, B, C, D, E, F, and G studied in colleges P, Q, and R and are currently in different professions, namely medical, fashion designing, engineering, business, acting, teaching, and architecture. And of course, not necessarily in the same order because we have to arrange them. At least two and not more than three friends studied in the same college. Okay, so at least it should be two and not more than three. So Charlie is an architect and studied in college Q. Ella is not a businessman. Only Geeta among the seven friends studied in college P. Okay, so the further information is given. So let me first quickly draw the table. So let's say this is college P, this is college Q, and this is college R. So Charlie, I will call it C. Charlie is an C is an architect and studied in college Q. So C studied in college Q. Okay, and he is an architect. So I will write architect. Ella is not a businessman. Okay. Only Geeta among the seven friends studied in college P along with Ella. Okay, so G and E studied in college P. G E. And it was written only Geeta along with Ella. So there are only two people here. So only two people will study in college P. Okay. Firoz is an engineer and did not study in college Q. So if Firoz did not study in college Q, so the only college where Firoz can study is R. So F studied in college R, and F is an engineer. So he is an engineer. He is an engineer. Binod is an actor and did not study in the same college as Firoz. Okay, so Binod did not study in same college as Firoz. So Binod can't come here. Binod can't come here because only two people can study in college B. So Binod definitely has to come here. So this is Binod, and Binod is an actor. So he is an actor. Aman did not study in college R. So again, Aman has to study in college Q. Those who studied in college P are neither fashion designers nor teachers. Okay, so these are not neither fashion designers nor teachers. None of those who studied in college Q is a teacher. Okay, so it means uh, none of those who studied in college Q is a teacher. Okay, so the remaining one has to be a teacher. So A, B, C, D. The person D is remaining and he has to be a teacher. And it was written E is not a businessman. So if E is not a businessman, then G will be businessman. And the remaining profession will be for E, and that is medical. Okay, one more. Aman's profession is also remaining. Architecture is also, no, architecture is done. Medical is remaining. Fashion designing is remaining. Okay, so A is for fashion designing, and A is for fashion designing because it was written that neither fashion designers nor teachers can come in college P. So this is fashion designing. This is fashion designing, and E's profession is medical. Okay, now I can answer the questions very comfortably. Who are the students from the institute? Okay, so who are the institute are? So F and D. Okay, so answer to my first question is option D. Which of the following groups represent the students of college Q? So A, C, B, and that is option C. What is the profession of Geeta? Geeta is businessman. So answer is A. Who among the following is in medical profession? Medical is for Ella. Option A. So this is a very easy set, and definitely this set has to be completed in not more than 5-6 minutes, and definitely we will select this type of set in exam scenario. Thank you guys for today's set. I will keep coming up with more sets. Please consider subscribing to my channel for more learning in the DILR sets. Thank you.